Hello. So we are very excited for the release of Geneyx version 6.3. And in this demonstration, we're going to be focusing on some of the audit management capabilities that have newly been integrated into the application, largely focused around gene panels, protocols, enrichment kits, and report configurations. And so one of the key requests that we've heard from our users is, let's say they make a modification to maybe a gene panel. So if you navigate from settings, go into gene panels, you have your list of gene panels which can be applied to given protocols. But as new panels or modifications or updates to panels become available, you likely want to maintain those changes. And so we now have a couple functionalities. One is the ability to create a copy. So let's say we created a copy of a particular case or a given gene panel. It maintains kind of the previous relationships. It does give you the ability to add additional findings, but then you can choose to save it. So once a copy is saved, you now have the ability to then go back to the previous one that was maybe created at a different time, and you can choose to disable it. This will prevent the use in protocols as well as selection in any like analyses, for example, and it will allow for kind of a cleaner workflow in terms of like an auditing perspective. So this is kind of a great feature. Again, you can create copies, you can disable previous ones that are maybe outdated, but we also provide this capability on the protocol level. So if you go again into the settings and go into protocols, you can see your list of protocols that are available. Again, we now have the create copy feature functionality, as well as if you go into edit an option, you can choose to disable it. So if you disable a given protocol, it will no longer be available for selection. Just to kind of demonstrate that, if you take a look into, let's say we wanted to start a new analysis, and let's say we wanted to remove like the germline structural variants. So if we go into a protocol level, and let's say we remove or disable our germline structural variant, click save. And now I'll go back here. If we refresh this, we should see that one removed. So again, this allows some more detailed customizations to be enabled within your account, preventing the use of maybe dated protocols or gene panels. But as I mentioned, also we now have some functionalities, similar functionalities supported for like enrichment kits, for example. So you can easily create copies to particular enrichment kits. You can remove them. This allows or will maintain like the bed files, like any of your smart filtering that's applied. And then obviously within our application, you can reanalyze samples with the new enrichment kits free of charge. Very similarly, we do the same for report configurations. So if you wanted to create a copy of a report configuration and use it for a different report template, that's supported as well. So overall, a lot of these functionalities are performed in the settings dialog, but we're aiming to enhance kind of a stronger governance and control on, basically ensuring that your current gene panels and protocols are being used across your analyses. So we hope you enjoy these features, and as always, we welcome your feedback for future improvements. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy the new features available in version 6.3.